There are the following tips to deal with cough, cold, or flu during the pregnancy. Tip number 1: keep eating healthy food, especially the food that contains vitamin C. Take steam twice a day. Gargle with warm salt water 3 times a day. Take ginger honey tea at least 2 times a day. Take chicken soup and lots of fluid like warm water, tea, etc. Try to take plenty of rest. If still you are symptomatic, you can take anti-allergic drug that is safe in pregnancy like Piriton or tablets Soften. For body aches and mild fever, you can take Panadol that is the safest painkiller during pregnancy. Stay healthy, it's about 2 lives. Like the video if you liked it and share it for public awareness, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.